no lighter fluid, simple. Yep. Come on. Look at this. What's going on, everybody? Jerk wings today. 2 ingredients. Watch me. Right now, this is the grill. This is the grill. It don't even cost $5. Not even $2. Yeah. Watch me, watch me. Don't even need more than that. So I have my grill. I'll be cleaning these 2 grills today, so I'm not going to use them. So right now, this is the grill. This is the grill. It don't even cost $5. Not even $2. Yeah. Watch me, watch me. Don't even need more than that. Alright? Alright, no lighter fluid. Simple. Simple, simple. So a piece of napkin and some cooking oil. Yep. Alright, I'll pick up that in a minute. Alright, it's very windy, so let's see. Come on. Come on. Alright, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Making jerk wings today, right? Yeah. Apologies for the noise. I have my generator running over there, but hopefully you can hear me good. Alright, as you can see, I put most of the charcoal in one side. So let me just go ahead and make that catch properly. So this is all we're using. 2 ingredients. Of course you gotta wash that meat. So I have to wash the meat. So right now, let me just go ahead and do that right now. Some vinegar, some water. Look, see all them things. That's why we wash the meat, because you can see all them little things coming off the meat. Yeah, we have to wash the meat, man. Don't play with me. And that's how we cook, and that's how we do things. Just look at the water. See? Turn white. Yeah. So over this up, and then we come again. So 2 times. And if I'd have lime, I would have used lime also, but no lime today. Let's go ahead and season. Not too much. That's good. Then just like a tablespoon. Yep, you don't need too much seasoning. And then just work it, you know. Yeah. Doing 6 today. Yeah. So right now this is almost finished. Let's spread it out good. Yeah. So right now, let me borrow one of these. I'm gonna clean that grill today, so just borrow one of these for now. Alright. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? That one, see? Makeshift, man. Bad enough. Yeah, man. Watch me work this. Just watch me work this. Alright, let's go. Let's load up this thing. Watch me work. Watch me work. looking. Coming along nicely, you see? Yeah. Nicely. Yeah. Turn that one. Also that one. Looking good. See, more of the charcoal over this side. Let's push some more over there, over that side. So right now we get most of the char, right? So push the charcoal over this side. So right now it's all about cooking, internal cooking, right? This one, a little bit of char in need. Let's see over this one. This one. Most charcoal over this side, not too much over that side, see? So right now, low and slow. Alright, so almost finished. I just need to add some jerk sauce in it. Fantastic. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at the color. Focus. Alright, so let's catch them back because I'm gonna plate it and make it look real good. Yeah, no joke. Yeah, man. Alright, so last thing, but not least, let's plate them. Alright, so I'm going to use this as my plate right now. This. Oh, we're looking solid. So that's 2 ingredients, jerk wings, right? Yeah, just 2 ingredients. Look at that. They're not burnt, trust me. That's just charred, not burnt. Alright. I'm just put the phone down. Try one of them. Which one? Let me try this one. Try this one. Outside.